How to see who added you on Snapchat? Wondering who added you on Snapchat? Here's how to check it in just a few taps. Start by launching Snapchat and logging in. Now tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on Add Friends right here. Tap on it. At the top you will see a section called Added Me. As no one has added me, it's not shown there, but in your case you'll be seeing Added Me. Here's where you'll find the people who have recently added you along with how they found you. You can add them back, ignore, or tap the menu next to their name for options like block or report. Okay, if nothing shows up in Added Me, no one has added you recently, or they have removed you before you checked. Easy, right? You can just add from here in your contacts. If you see it here, you can just add it from here. If you want to add, just click on add. Okay, and once you click on add, they will be sent a friend request. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite snap picture. Thank you for watching.